Hello everyone, welcome back to QClick's channel. In this video, I'll show you how to TinyTask versus AutoHotkey 2025, which automation tool is right for you. TinyTask is a free ultralight automation tool, just 35 kilobytes. It's dead simple. Record mouse clicks and keystrokes, save as macros, and replay them. No coding needed, and it's portable, perfect for basic tasks like auto-clicking in games or filing forms. But it's Windows only and lacks advanced options or flexibility. AutoHotkey is a free open-source scripting tool for Windows. It's powerful, letting you create hotkeys, remap keys, and automate complex tasks like web scraping or file sorting. The catch? You need to learn its scripting language, which has a learning curve, ideal for advanced users craving control. Now, the comparison. TinyTask is perfect for beginners. Its record and play setup is fast for simple tasks like gaming clicks or repetitive data entry. It's limited to basic recordings, but AutoHotkey excels at complex automations like custom shortcuts or workflows, but it does require coding know-how. TinyTask wins for quick, easy jobs, and AutoHotkey is better for intricate, customized tasks. Both are free and Windows only, but AutoHotkey's community offers more support. Bottom line, TinyTask for simple stuff and AutoHotkey for advanced automation. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.